Today we are back out at the QIA building, volunteering our time, doing some work, doing one of the projects that they would not normally be able to get to, and that is actually taking this roof right here and adding a pitch to it. I did the work on it yesterday, but just didn't have time to do any video work, so I thought I'd come back, show you what I was doing, show you where I'm at. I've got a little more adjustments to do. When they set the post here originally for the joist, they set them all at the same height. The slab itself is not level, so the roof is not pitched exactly how I want it. So I'm gonna go ahead and adjust the trusses or the joists, cut them a little bit deeper in the pocket to allow them to come down, get that proper pitch that I want. I'm going to be doing some work on the concession booth itself, doing some shore up work. It needs some attention. So anyways, I'll bring you back in a little bit and show you some stuff I've got done and tell you a little bit more about it. So I've got the pitch of the roof done. I've got it on plane all the way across. Looks a lot better. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it in the gutter, but I did get the gutter to have a better slope to it. It's got one little climb, which is like a 1/8 of an inch. So I think I'm going to be good with water flow coming off of that. It's got a nice drop to it. Now I'm working on securing up and stiffening up the concession area itself. So onwards and upwards. Come back to you in a little bit when I'm a little bit further along. Got to a point where I've got to shut down for the day. Excuse me. So you can see some of the stuff I've done. I've capped the corner here, stiffened it up. Got another cap here. Of course, you know, I'm trying to feather everything in, so there is a little bit of slope here, but we've got it stiffened up quite a bit. This is coming along. There's a lot stiffer than what it was. I'm putting a 2x4 right here to help with it. I just added this underneath here as a stiffener too because of this joint. We've got a stiffener here to keep the wall from moving around. So we're gaining. We've got the roof dropped to where we're pitching at a nice angle now. We've got at least almost a 1 in 12 pitch, so I think for this area that's going to be pretty good. You can see the gutter. I've got it almost straightened out as best as I can. So hopefully all these will help reduce the amount of water that accumulates behind them. I'm also got a couple other things I'm working on too, and some other people are doing some stuff too. So anyways, this is just a day over here doing some more volunteering at the QIA. If you like these kind of videos, if you enjoy them, get something out of them, hit the like button, subscribe, and share. And also, as a footnote, if you are here in Quartzsite and you would like to volunteer some of your expertise here at the QIA, I'm pretty sure that they would not turn you down. So, until next time, happy camping.